Hi there, welcome to my channel. Daniel is my name. I'm from 89.com. Today I want to quickly share something with you which is going to be very helpful to you as far as you used WordPress website. I was working on a WordPress website not long ago, and few days after the launch of that particular website, the comment, the blog session disappeared. I tried so many things. If you check my website today, you will see that I already have my comment section restored. I want to quickly share it with you in this video, how to restore your blog comment. Follow me to my desktop. Let me show you. Alright guys, we're here and I want to quickly show you what I mean by what I said earlier on. If you look at the WordPress website here, I have this particular thing here, but when I open up the blog as we have here, when you scroll down, you wouldn't see any comment section and the blog section. Okay, so look at it, we don't have any comment section on the blog section. This disappeared a few days after I launched the site. So I'm going to show you how to fix the particular thing just in the okay. So to prove further show you what I mean, if you look at this other one where I have already restored this, you would see that there is a comment section to it. So just look at this one now. You can see that you already have a comment section. So I'll quickly show you how. Head on to your theme area, okay, the particular theme folder you have inside your dashboard. Okay, so you are going to go to the theme importer. Because I'm using WordPress on this, so go to your theme importer. What you're going to do here is to reinstall a demo content again. Okay, you have to install another demo content again, but to save work because of the contents I already have in this place and some other time factor, I wouldn't go as far as deleting the contents and all those things. So I'm going to install a new demo on top of this one. So after it, you can see the demo contents we have here. Okay, so then after the whole thing, you open up any of the blog posts. Okay, you can see the setup already intact where you have comment now. I have to transfer the blog post. I don't have much blog post here now, so what I had to do is to copy out the blog post on a particular thing to the another to make it as a fresh post. Okay, look at what I'm doing now. The blog post I already had earlier on, which doesn't have comment. I'm copying out the content and I'm making a fresh post with it inside the newly installed demo. Okay, so when you do that now, it's going to retain the comments feature. Okay, so just copy everything that you have, the blog content that you've written before, copy them out. For this very place, I am not trying to beautify the blog, I'm just trying to show you something. So we just make deal with what we have here. Okay, you copy it and replace it. I'm actually replacing this with the demo content that we have there. You can also do this with making a new post. Okay, so it mustn't be replacing the demo content. But the whole thing is that after doing this, you're going to have the blog section blank. Okay, I'm going to view site. Check it out here, and here is our check it out here. Here is our comment. Okay, someone can now place his or her comment. Okay, so we just did this particular thing, and that is the essence of the whole thing. We succeeded in bringing it back. Okay, when we are done with all this, the next thing you need to do is to go ahead and begin to get rid of all the demo contents that you have. So now everything is fine now, so you can go ahead and make your fresh post without any restriction.
Alright guys, great to have you. I hope you had value. If you have any question, please do leave it at the comment section. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also hit the notification button so that you get notifications of our subsequent videos on this channel. Remember, I am here for you.